Devenir professionnel est une nécessité et non un rêve.
Hello everyone and welcome on my channel Devenir Professionnel. It's a multi-language channel on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe and to activate the bell. Of course, if you like this video, you can share it with others. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your WordPress website by decreasing the loading time for all dynamically generated pages of your website. But why you must do this? The answer is too simple, because if your website takes more than 3 seconds to load, over half of your visitors will abandon it. So you must give them a good experience in your website for they come back to your website. Also, Google has confirmed that site speed is a rank factor in its algorithm. That means fast websites rank higher and generate more traffic. That's why, so if we want to generate more traffic and to get more or best results, we need to create fast website. But how can we do, and how can speed up our WordPress website? The answer is too simple again. We must create cached for each dynamically generated pages, and also we have to optimize pictures. And to get this purpose, we don't need any technical skills, because we have two plugins that only we need to install on our dashboard of WordPress to do this job for us. So let's now take a look about those two plugins. So as I told you, we don't need any technical skills to get this purpose, to speed up our WordPress website. So by installing those two plugins, we will get this purpose and make the job faster. So we have Optimole plugin, and the second is WP Rocket. So let's now start with Optimole. Optimole, this plugin is optimizing the images size, because images take up more than 50% of average website size. That means optimizing your image can make a huge difference to your site's page loading time. So now let's take a look how to install it and how to use it. So to install this plugin, you need to click on plugin in dashboard of your WordPress, then click on add new. So here we can search for this plugin, Optimole. This is the first way to install it. Then click on install now, or by clicking on upload plugin. For example, for me, I have already downloaded this plugin, Optimole. Two way to install your plugin. So I activate it now. So it's very easy to use this plugin. You don't need anything. Only what you need is to look for an IP key. So to get it, please sign up in optimole.com. For example, for me, copy it and paste it this. Then click on connect to your Optimole service. So using Optimole server has three benefits. The first one is you don't have to wait for compress. Second, your site will not slow down during compressing. And the last, it won't modify your original's image. So now let's take a look to WP Rocket. So the second plugin you need to install is WP Rocket. It's a powerful caching plugin that helps you to speed up your site by decreasing the loading time for dynamically generated pages. So I will explain you the dynamic cache purpose, but first let's now see how it works. So it works like this. It creates cached copies for all dynamically generated pages. Then the host server have to do less work. So the dynamic cache purpose is to cache all the resources on your site, even if they are dynamically generated. For example, in your WordPress website, the images and other multimedia will be static, but your article, post, pages are not. They will be stored in the applicant database. That's mean when someone, for example, loads your WordPress, will query the database in order to get the necessary informations. Those queries take some time to be processed by the MSQL service and return a result. This plugin stores entire pages of your website in the server RAM. This means that only the first user or first visitor will load the entire content from the database, and the next visitors will get the page output directly from the server's memory, which is mean faster. So let's now take a look how to install it and how to use it on our dashboard in WordPress. So to install this plugin, you need to go to this website. I will put all links under this video. So WP Bracket, download this plugin, but before to install it, please test the speed of your website in Pingdom website. Then after install it, we have to retest it to see the difference. So to install the plugin after download it, click on plugin, upload, then choose WP Bracket and click OK to install. So for me, for example, I have already done this job. WP Bracket. So what I like on it is you don't still need to do anything after installing it. So your website should be loading faster now. So you don't need anything to change to be activated. So of course we have all other options here that we can enable or disable. So it's very easy and useful to use it. So WP Bracket and Optimole are enough to speed up your WordPress website. And please remember this, we have always take care about the speed, because even Google has confirmed that speed site is a great factor in its algorithm. So fast site rank higher and generate more traffic. So I wish that this video is useful for you, so please don't forget to subscribe and to share this video with others. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.